Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and look, I have some things to show you. This is an interesting order. It is all full drill. I know, right? That's unusual for me. But this is from Coodeals. You can tell it says right here, Coodeals. That's Diamond Moment or Mindy Dipple. One of the two. I don't know. They don't put your full name on it anymore, but they still do put an identifying symbol there, I guess. All right. Well, let's get into it. We got small, medium, large. Let's just get into it and show you what we have. I do have them in order here, so I'm going to try not to mess them up, right? First of all, I got a gift. Here's my gift. Got some stickers, some labels, all right? So thank you. Thank you for the gift. Every single one of them came with this toolkit. So it's the white boat, pink pen with a 3-placer on the end, and then your wax. So a little different from your typical green boat. A little bit nicer. Got one for each of them. All right. There's one up here too. They're all over the place. All over the place. All right. Let's get into it and let's show you what we have. Excuse me for that. Okay. First one. Right off the bat. Let's do gnomes. Right? Let's do gnomes. This is a 30 by 40. Now, they do print these at their location, their factory, their shop, wherever they're at. They print their own. That's how they get your name on there, because these are all printed for you, okay? They're not pre-made. So let's see. I'm thinking it's still the same. Yeah, it's 25. So it's still a 25 by 35, not a true 30 by 40. 30 by 40 is the canvas, 25 by 35 for the picture. Anyhow, so they're all poured glue, 27 colors on that one. How cute, right? How cute is that? 2 little gnomes in their stockings. I love it. Got some poinsettia here. We've got the plaid. I love everything about that, right? Symbols clear? Let's see. You tell me. Are they clear? Can you read them all? I believe we can. All right. Bunch of Z's there for that beard. Background, a lot of Z's. And then we got some patches of things there. Pretty cute. All right. So each of theirs comes with an inventory sheet. Now that's nice. You can make symbols for your containers. All you have to do is copy this, or just cut this one apart if you don't want to keep it. And then you can run this through your Xyron sticker maker. I would run this part through right here, just this. The one, no, I want the symbol too. Oh yeah, that is the symbol. So the 1 is the symbol and the 165 is the DMC code. So I just need this little strip right here. And I have a Xyron sticker maker. It's all letters. Okay. And I would just run that through my sticker maker, and then I would have stickers to put on my containers. It's got a picture here. It's got the size. All that good stuff is here. So that's very handy to have. Pre-bag drills. I love the pre-bag drills. I don't even have to take these out for you to see them. Now look at the drills. What do we think about the quality of the drills? They look really pretty good, don't they? I would have no complaints about those drills. So got some yellows, greens, a little red here, some cream colors, burgundy, some more greens, dark green, pinkish colors to reds, and then of course there's our white for all of that white beard. Nice. 27 colors there. Like those. You like those colors? I like those colors. I think it's super cute. So that's the first one. You like him? I like him. Look, he's waving out of his stocking. Hello. Ho, ho, ho. It's super cute. You know it's cute, right? Okay. All right. Let's move on. Next one. I was definitely on like a Christmas theme for a minute here. So we have this one, which is a door with a wreath or a window. I think it's a window, actually. Now that one's a window. So we have the wreath. We got some cardinals in our wreath. And then we got the birdhouse with a cardinal, a little lantern, a plant, things like that. Cute. I like it. What do you think? How's it look? How does it look? I'm trying to just move it so we don't have so much glare. What do you think? Looks good, doesn't it? I mean, it really does. Again, we have our sheet. These are all, bundled together for us. We have our sheet here. This one has 27 colors. We have a picture here, and all of the symbols are here. There isn't a legend over here, but it's a 30 by 40. I don't think it's necessary, do you? Our colors. I'm waiting for him to start adding ABs. I'm going to mention that to him. Allie, how about ABs? What do we think about that? Look at the colors in this. They're like these smoky blue-gray colors. Smoky gray blue. Some like orangish, green, tans. More tans, greens. Look at that pretty color right there. That one's super pretty. And then that's not white. It's like off-white. That one's off-white. Pretty, right? I like it. So I'm going to put this right back on. Oh, that's two separate rubber bands. I thought it was like one. It's not. All right. How is the plastic? The glue's sticky. The poured glue looks good. All right. Lots of confetti on this one, folks. But can you read them? Yes, you can. They look good, don't they? All right. Everything looks great. Okay, let's move on. Next. Well, I got another gnome. Whoops, we had another gnome. This one's cute. Look, it's a welcome. It's like one of those welcome flags. I have these flags all over my house, out my yard, for all the seasons, all the holidays. But look at that one, so cute. Got his honey pot, beehive, flowers, the sunflowers over here. Cute. His little bees buzzing around his head, and it just says welcome. That background is not one color. Look. We have H and V, H and V, H and V. Yeah. So not one solid color. And that beehive, lots of colors there. Gonna get a lot of not multi-placing, but a lot of confetti color changes here. Lots of different colors. I know some people don't like that we have different colors in our letters. They would prefer these are all one color, but I've tried them like this, and I've tried changing them, and most of the time they turn out just fine if you just leave them that way. That's going to look just fine. Guaranteed. I don't mess with it. Okay? Let's look at our drills. Here's our inventory sheet. Oh, look at that. Ooh, hello yellows, right? So first of all, this has 27 colors. What is that one? Black? That's black. Then we have a bunch of grays here. Taupey color, a little green. Look at the yellows though. Yellow, yellow. Tan. Yellow. It's pretty blue. I like that blue. That's going to be our background, I'll bet. Gray. More yellow. More greens. Some more yellow, some brown, and some white. And I believe that one is 3865. Yep, that is the true white. Then we have the off-white too. Pretty palette though, right? Pretty, pretty. I promise we'll look at one. Let's look at the next one, because the next one's got a lot of different colors. We'll look at that one. All right. There's that one. This one is a different size. I got this one a little larger because I looked at this. I loved the picture, and I didn't like it as a 30 by 40. Now, here's the thing with Coodeals. You can choose your size on most of their stuff because they print them for you. Some things you can't, but a lot of them you can choose your size. So I didn't like this one in a 30 by 40. I didn't think that would turn out. So I got the 40 by 50. 40 by 50 was always my sweet spot. I loved 40 by 50s. But look how good that looks in a 40 by 50, right? And look at the colors. This is why I said, well, look at the colors for this one. Look at all the colors. We've got all of these colorful owls. And we just have these, I think they're abstract flowers. I'm going to call them an abstract flower. They look like they're glowing, right? Got a little owl inside the tree too. He looks good too, right? Even the tree is multicolored. It's not brown, it's multicolored tree. I love it. I love this one. This one has 33 colors. See, I told you we got more colors in this one. All right, let's look at this one and see what we get. Like I said, I saved one that had lots of colors. So these are in order, by the way, these drills. So I'm about to mess them up, right? But look at the first color right off the bat. Love it. What is that? 155. It's beautiful. I'm going to talk to Allie and see if he's considered adding ABs to the mix. That would be cool if he started to do some AB action. You know, he's come a long ways. He started this company. You know, he worked for other companies and he started his own. And he's come a long way from guide circles, like the heavy guide circles, to the little tiny bags of drills. I mean, that's how he started. But he's come a long way. I appreciate what he's working on. He's coming up with a good product. So lots of blues for this one. More blues. I like the bags, the drills. They just say handmade. Something else. I can't read it. But they look really good. Look how nice those look, right? Nice. Yellow. Selection of greens. We do have a lot of leaves and things. I'm trying to keep these in order as I go. There we go. Can you tell what I'm doing over there? Here's the last little bundle. All right, here we go. More green, blue, pink, bright yellow, coral color, and then some whites. White, off-white, okay? All right, so there are our owl friends. Let's see. This is how I do this, folks. Just in case you ever wondered, you can put these back in just as neat as they came, right? Practice. Oh, look, see, that one's got some trying to get away. I'm not even going to worry about it right now. They just get outside of the lip and they try to escape. You just got to open the bag and they'll fall right back in. All right, there we go. And they're in. Give them a little shaky whooshy. Did you like that? And there it is, ready to go. Right? You know, you do this as many times as I do. You learn a couple tricks and you get good at stuff. Yeah. All right. So here's the other thing. You can get at Coodeals a large painting. They have them even bigger than this one. This one, I believe, is like 40 by 70. That's what I was going to guess. But look at that. It's just this abstract of color with this butterfly coming up out of it all and this very dark background. What is the background? It's either going to be black or dark blue. Let's see. It's black. But it's not complete black because look, a bunch of S's right there and 4's over here. So what's the S? S is 939, of course. The two darkest colors I know of are in this background. Then we move over here, we get some 7's. Let me guess, is it 823? Let's see. Oh, no, it's 336. Okay. So anyhow, the black dark background is necessary. There's a picture of it, right? Is necessary for all of the colors to pop off that. So you can't hate that it has that dark background. It's going to be very, very pretty, right? Comes with your inventory sheet like all of them. This one has 32 colors. So here we go. I'm not going to take these out, but the cream or brown, look, there's a blue hiding in there. See that blue down in there? Got a little blue, some grays, yellow. Look at that pretty color right there. Love that. And these pinks, it's going to be pretty. There's some of our dark colors, but look at all this blue. See all this blue down in here and through here? And here's our blues. Blues for that. And a little gray. There's a blue. There's purple, red. Here's our dark colors. And look at the pretty purples up here. Look at those. That'll be nice. So the purples and blues are down here. The oranges and reds are up here. So pretty. Pretty, pretty. So that is what I have to show you from Coodeals. I mean, I think they do a really nice job there. The canvas is, it's canvasy feeling. It's not plasticky feeling like some of the oilcloth can be. Got a hair on it. That was nice. But it feels more canvas-like, you know? So there you have it, you guys. What do you think? Have you tried the Coodeals? I will link these below. You can go check them out. Like I said, you could get this one in different sizes, this one in different sizes. I think everything I got this time, you could pick the size. I knew this would turn out in a small size. I mean, I didn't need that any bigger, right? And most of my gnome paintings are 30 by 40. So why change things, right? Get the same size. But yeah, this one here might have been a little bit better in maybe the 40 by 50. But I still think that one will turn out okay. Just, it might have been a little bit more detailed in the next bigger size. Anyhow, that's what I got. Check them out. I'm sure Allie will appreciate it. And I'm going to put that bug in his ear and ask if he's thought about adding ABs. We'll see. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you come back. New and old subscribers alike. Well, not that you're old. New and former subscribers alike. Anybody. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. All right. I will talk to everybody soon.